about to go to the gun range. Excuse my mess of hair. We're about to go to the gun range, and we wanted to show you guys all the goodies that we have. Oh, let me move this. Yeah, well, some of the goodies, yeah, not all the goodies that we have here. So, just this disclaimer, we are licensed. We have a FOI card as well as our concealed to carry. We have been taught, we have been trained, we safe, right? So I just wanted to say that first. We have a safe as well where we lock everything up and keep it away from, children or anybody besides ourselves. So this is the Ruger Mark 4. He had me saying 5. Ruger Mark 4. It is empty. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but it is empty. But still in all, you never, ever, ever touch that trigger until you're ready to shoot, ever. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys this. This is my favorite. I had to have it. He was like, what do you want that for? It's a 22. But I love it. So, yeah. You can put your scope up here or whatever you want to add. All your little toys. The sights are here. And, yeah. I'll show you guys the clip for that. It's pretty awesome. Oh, the magazine. I'm sorry. The magazine. This is how you load it. You pull this little thing down here, and you want to load your bullets. There. 22. I said it's a 22. It's a 22. Pew, pew, pew. Next one. Sig. It's my Sig Sauer. I think that's how you say it. Sig Sauer. But this is my other favorite. This one, I'm a professional. When I shoot this bad boy right here, I'm hitting the mark. So watch out.
I'll put on that one.
As you can see, it is empty. It's an empty gun. To have it cocked. But yep. You put me on this one? You ain't put me on this one.
I bought the first one.
But yeah, this is my baby. You always want to have the gun pointed downrange or away from you or away from whoever else, is around you. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Alright, so again, this is the Ruger. It's a 9mm. I didn't say it before, but the other one is a 9mm as well. The Sig, that's a 9mm. I didn't show you guys the clip for that. I mean, it's a regular clip, but this is the clip for the Sig. Yeah, so it holds 21. Also, is it for the Sig? Yeah. So for a long time, I had this other magazine. I keep saying clip, so excuse me for that. It's a magazine. But I had this other magazine for so long, and I was using it, and my gun wasn't acting right. And I was like, what is going on? I just bought this thing. I was, just upset by it. And I found out that, if you can see that there, it says, can you see it? I think you can see it says 40 caliber on there and 357, as opposed to 9mm like this one. It says 9mm on it right there. That makes a huge difference. I mean, it really makes a huge difference. Yeah, no, anyway, you get it. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that she is empty as well. And I don't know if I showed you, but this is another one of my favorites, of course. 9mm, I think I said that already. I don't know if I showed you guys the clip to that, but here we go. So we are on our way to the range. Like I told you guys, we are, we're licensed. We have a FOI card. We also have our concealed to carry. We got all of our ammunition, ammo, bullets, whatever you want to call it. We have some hollow points that we are not going to shoot at the range, of course. But I still wanted to show you so you guys can see that point. So, alright, there's a hollow point. That's what it looks like. It's hollow. We have our eyes and ears. I actually don't wear these pink ones anymore. I got me another set that comes with, this is it right here, that comes with the ears. It comes with eyes. It also comes with some of those little foamy thingamajags you put in your ear. And I also have a glove. I had a .38 revolver It was amazing. It was small, it was pink, the snub nose, and that bad boy was powerful. And because it was so powerful, I would use a glove to help stabilize my hand when shooting it. I did give her away though. She was way too powerful. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys the rest of the ammo that we have so we can go ahead and get out of here. You know what a bullet looks like. So we got those. We have something. We got a bunch because we just go to the range and shoot different times. Winchester. We got the 22. Pew, pew, pew. Yeah, the big boy. We don't have him to show y'all, not this time, but we'll show you. Well, we have him, but there we go. Yes, y'all see him at the range. So, all right, I think that's it. Is that everything?
Everything. Let's get it.
I think that's everything. We got our bags. We're about to get packed up and get on the road. See you all there.
Peace.
Peace. One rule that I didn't follow, y'all. I didn't know. All right, y'all, we here. We're at the range. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but yeah, it's about to go down. Take a look at the floor. You can see ammo all over the place. So we are about to have fun. I hope you guys can hear me. I really do. I can't hear myself because of these ears that I have on. Got my eyes on. Check. Everything is safe. And yeah, we got our bags here. We got the other bag right here. And just so you guys can see, I always carry my sanitizer. We actually have 2 lanes. So, and that lane. Loaded up. By the way, guys, these are 9mm that I'm loading up the Ruger 9mm. Don't judge me. Spread. About to get it in real quick. I gotta clean these bad boys. They're a little dusty. You know, we've been in the house for a minute now. So I just wanted to show you guys a little spread, and we're about to get started. Downrange at all times. It's very important.
Here's a 12 gauge shotgun, semi-automatic. Over 5 rounds in the mag.
Wow. Y'all see what this bad boy can do? Sadly, we're going home, but we had too much fun. Here you go. Check this out. Yes, sir.